we are going to now examine this book here, which is in a period full calf leather binding with these raised bands, and the spine compartments are actually stamped in blind with a contrasting Morocco label, like so. This is a book by Edward Dorrington, right here. Le Solitaire Anglois. It is a well-known story about a man who was shipwrecked in the South Seas on an island, and there's his pet monkey, Philippe Quarll. And this is a scarce Dutch imprint in French from Rotterdam from 1728. This copper engraved frontis is followed by this folding copper engraved plate of the ship, likely before it was wrecked. There, in theory, I think, is supposed to be another plate, maybe of an island in here, but this book is as we acquired it, and that plate is not here. But it is complete otherwise. The text block is slightly age-toned, very minor little spotting throughout, but the book, the binding, is still sound, it's still tight, it's still sewn as issued, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.